Brad Hall here, and this is gonna be a really good one. Inside this protective case is MSCHF's latest work. MSCHF is, of course, the same company that brought you the Jesus shoes and those $76,000 Birkenstocks. Now they've teamed up with Lil Nas X to create a controversial Air Max 97, the Satan shoes. On this episode, I share everything you need to know about that shoe, so stick around. By now, you've probably heard about the shoe that's inside of here. It is really blowing up on the internet. MSCHF and Lil Nas X, they really lit a fire, and there is no putting out that fire. It is a completely waterproof fire. So let's just dive into it. I'm gonna open up this very beautiful pelican case, very protective. There's a lot of foam in there, and there is the shoebox too. So here's the box for the Satan shoes. It's a very interesting box. There are some details on there. On the top, there's a creature with some hooves. There are skulls on the back. That is very Satan-y. Just a lot of nice details in a pretty well-made box. Inside, you've got some more artwork. You've got another creature hugging a person. So that's maybe that's nice. I'm not sure. Also, a couple of cards with Lil Nas X modeling the shoe. And then we've got the shoe, the Satan shoe. Now, I did see some confusion online. This is a custom shoe. It is not an official release by Nike. It is a real Nike shoe though. This is the Nike Air Max 97. The most attention-grabbing detail on this shoe is the fact that there is this red ink and a little bit of blood in that air bubble. You'll remember that Jesus shoe, that one had holy water in there. This, it takes kind of a different turn. I will say the red liquid, it does look pretty cool in there, but knowing that it's blood and it's human blood kind of makes it a little bit haunting. I definitely hope that this air bubble, that it holds up, because I don't want blood on me. The numbers surrounding this shoe are all significant. On that heel area, you've got 666, a scary number traditionally. That is because it's limited to that many pairs. Each one is individually numbered. Up front, you've got Luke 10:18, and then you've also got a sticker price of $1,018. So that price represents the same Bible verse. That verse is, of course, very Satan-y as well. On that tongue, there's this bronze pentagram. The names of the two collaborators also on the back of the heels. And then one other smaller detail. I'm not sure if this is specific to this colorway normally, but it does have this nice kind of velvety patch right here. And that just feels good. Now, something that is pretty interesting to me about this shoe, on foot, it almost looks like a normal colorway. It definitely doesn't scream Satan though. I really like the restraint used on the actual design. MSCHF and Lil Nas X could have gone way further with it. They could have used a lot stronger Satan imagery on the actual shoe, or maybe they could have taken that blood even further. Maybe with every step you take, a little bit could squirt out. It would have been so easy to do too much with this, but they didn't, and I really appreciate that. I think it's well executed, and it lets that concept do the talking. I really appreciate MSCHF sending me these. It's very cool to see these in person, to see what that fuss is all about. And I think it was really well done. So thank you, and thank you everyone for watching.